Hello, my name is Sarvesh Takle and my roll number is 19AC01045. So I'll be showing you the experiment 3 which we were assigned. So basically in this experiment we have to uh, take audio files and we have to create a model using which we can classify this audio into fan noise, human speech or train noise. So first we are using audio read to take all the data and these audio files are of 1 hour duration. So we are converting it to 30 minutes of training set and 30 minutes of test set. So the sampling frequency is 16,000. So basically I'm using this code like for 1 to 1800. 1800 is the 38 minute. So in this code, so first it will be like from 0 to 16,000, then 16,000, 32,000, and so on. So it will calculate mean, square weightage, and this is for uh, making all the amplitudes for -1 to 1. So we are using this for training set, these three, and then this is for test set, and then we are like you can see we are create, uh, create basically we are creating a matrix, like in this case a matrix of mean, variance, skewness, kurtosis, and one is the number I've given to the voice. Like this is first one fan. For fan it's 1, for human it is 2, and train it is 3. So this is 1, 2, and 3. Same for the test set. Rest of the code is same, and then I am saving the this is for train human fan human and train noise. So I'm attaching them together for creating a single matrix which is F, and I'm writing the matrix as an Excel file. Similarly, this is for training set and this is for test set. So we have, so as you can see, these two files are created by running this code. So now let's move to the app designer. So uh, let me explain you what I have done basically, then I'll show you how it works. So this is for reading all the data, like it will give back the matrix of features, and this for again segregating them into like fan, human, and train noise. This is for training set and this for test set. MAT is will be used later also. It is for training set, and TMAT is for test set. So now first mean button value, I'll show you design view. So design view, the plot will be here, and we have to select a test set, select a set which is training set or test set, characteristics mean, variance, skewness, kurtosis, type of plot. Cluster is like will give you the value from cluster and show you the uh, like the characteristics of three different uh, types of audio file, and the value will just plot the suppose we have selected mean, so we'll plot the mean graph. Similarly variance, so variance. So now let's go to code view. In this mean button, like if mean button is pressed, a will be 1, like so that the first column in this is for mean, second is for variance, third for skewness, and then fourth kurtosis, and so on. Like so a equals to 1, we are keeping this empty, and for these are the threshold I have selected basis on basis of calculating the mean of the mean and the max of the mean. I have also analyzed the individual graphs. Like uh, I'll show you later. So now threshold. Uh, this is for training set, and this is for test set. Red one has all the predictions for the training set, and red 2 has all for the test set. and this is for variance button. What if the variance button is slow? So this is that. Basically the threshold, if this satisfies, so it will classify that data as one, like one it is a fan noise, two is a human speech. These basically are conditions. For variance also same. I have selected some threshold values. I have selected threshold values on basis of the training set and not the test set. So what results we get from the test set is more important than training set, because if we get excellent performance from training set and not the test set, it will show overfitting. So, and this is for skewness and same for kurtosis. So and now this. So like what if we are, after that we pressed cluster button, so it will form the clusters, so that you can distinguish between fan human uh, and training noise. This is for training set. Like here, uh, if you select a training set, then this will run. If you select the test set, then this will run. So it will form a cluster from training set and test set. Similarly, value will do nothing but just plot the points. So now, as I have explained you, let's run this code. So okay. So now let's have a training set of mean. Let's first plot the value. So now for this 1 to 1800 is for train, then fan, then human speech, and then train noise. So you can see like these two are very similar, but this is clearly different. So you can see a pattern here. So let's plot the cluster. So this is the confusion matrix. As you can see, like it is not very good, because uh, like the mean is uh, like the mean is not, it means that mean is not the best criterion. Okay, and this is the plot, and this is the confusion matrix. Now let's try the test set. This is more important than the training set. So see, the like the performance is not that good, but it is the maximum that we could get. Like even after I remove noise and all, but it is not the best metric for distribution. So let's try variance. So here you can see the results are much better. So it is having trouble in like finding the in recognizing the human voice, but the fan and train noises seem to be working fine. Now test set. So you can see again good results for train noise and fan noise. So now let's go to skewness. Here also it is having trouble. Like uh, I'll show you the plot also, the value plot. So it is recognizing these two quite well. The value here you will be able to clearly see. So you can see that there is a lot of overlapping. So like uh, so here also you can see there is a lot of overlapping. So this is the yellow is the normal signal, you can ignore this, and this is the kurtosis one. So the skewness one. And let's try for kurtosis. And so okay, you can see it is showing the best results of all of them. The kurtosis, like you can see, this is almost like where perfect, like out of 1800, and this is also almost perfect. Whereas you can see human voice, actually the problem with human voice I feel is like the I have clubbed many audios together, and it's like a mess, like not exactly a mess, but it's like there are a lot of irregularities which may affect this performance, whereas the train and fan noise were easily it was available very easily, so it is a uniform, like it shows uh, a continued proper characteristic. So you can see the performance for them is very good for them. Let's check for training set 2. See, you can see the performance. So this is my uh, GUI for clustering between clustering for 3 different audio files. So that's it.